Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris if you are new here, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video.
And your itchy head today the temperature's up. You know what to do. Go take your toes for a walk. And your fur baby too. Turn your face to the sun. Go ahead and call up your crew. You'll be happy you do. Let's make it all about you. Jump on your wheels and ride. It doesn't matter where you're going to, baby. It's so much better outside. Oh, oh, oh. Let's make it all about you. Get your smoothie order up. I like the mango banana. Gotta recycle your cup. Let's be friends with the planet. You'll be happy you do. Let's make it all about you. And turn the music up loud. Your neighbors will appreciate it, baby. Just let it all hang out. Oh, oh, oh. Let's make it all about you. Let's make it all about you. Let's make it all about the way that you're feeling when nothing else matters but you. Let's make it all about going crazy, cooped up in the basement, trying to figure out where all other days went. Been way too chilly to be sitting on the pavement, but the weather has a way of turning things around. It takes one hot day, get your swimsuit out, it's your day. Hey, 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 hey. Get on your wheels and ride. It doesn't matter where you're going to, baby. It's so much better outside. Oh, oh, oh. Just turn the music up loud. Your neighbors will appreciate it, baby. Just let it all hang out. So what we gonna do now? Oh, oh, oh. Let's make it all about you. Let's make it all about you. Let's make it all about the way that you're feeling when nothing else matters but you. Let's make it all about you.
Love, love, love.
You really caught my eye when I hit the town sneaking out last night. Really gives a vibe. Take it, then we kick it till the sun comes out. Make you feel alright. Come a little closer, baby, I won't bite. I do this for fun, but I wasn't really thinking you would call it love.
Say, oh my, I can't waste my time for another night. That's why I was thinking you put your number on my cell. Maybe I could call you my lover, time will tell.
Hold the phone one sec. Not too fast, you know it isn't like that yet. I'm not looking for that with someone I just met. You don't got me falling for you, don't forget. You really caught my eye when I hit the town sneaking out last night. Really gives a vibe. Take it, then we kick it till the sun comes out. Make you feel alright. Come a little closer, baby, I won't bite. I do this for fun, but I wasn't really thinking
was slipping down the sidewalk. Summer after college, met a lifeguard. She was just a figment of a daydream, wishing she would dive and come and save me. We were at a party up in Cape Cod, jumping in the water at the lake dock. Sun was in her eyes and it was so hot, but I'm the boy that she was trying to blow up. Cause she wants a guy that has a bad boy reputation. I don't wanna ruin my vacation by falling in love, but you're calling my bluff. Oh, we don't need no shoes on our feet to get this moving. Disco grooving, two-step like they do in all those movies. Twist you like Tom Cruise, and two-step like they do it. Two-step like they do in those movies. Let's get moving. Let's get moving. Ooh. I said you're looking so sun-kissed. She said, do you wanna have a fun trip? I said, I don't ever wanna leave here. Asked if I could put us in a new gear. Maybe I could take you back to LA. Promise you won't ever have a bad day. Driving in a Beamer on the highway. I just wanna see you coming my way, my way. Oh, cause we don't need no shoes on our feet to get this moving. Disco grooving, two-step like they do in all those movies. Twist you like Tom Cruise, and two-step like they do it. Two-step like they do in those movies. Let's get moving. Let's get moving. I don't wanna get a bad boy reputation, but I kinda wanna ruin my vacation by falling in love, but you're calling my bluff. Oh, cause we don't need no shoes on our feet to get this moving. Disco grooving, two-step like they do in all those movies. Twist you like Tom Cruise, and two-step like they do in, two-step like they do in those movies. Let's get moving. Let's get moving.
I've been cooped up in this Mini Cooper, singing to myself, going through drive-through after drive-through, looking for some help. I miss my family and my girl and my friends there by my side. If you feel the beat and you're feeling me, then come on, let's ride. We need a bigger bus to get our friends on, more windows and more aisles. Party in the front, party in the back. We'll go swaying side to side down the highway of surrender. All wheels go round and round. We'll get all the bumper stickers from all the places that we found. Need a bigger bus. We need a bigger bus. You can bring your friends, they can sing too. You can even bring your mama, as long as she can hold the tune. You could bring your dog and let those ears fly out in the wind. Then we'll pick up the whole dang town and we'll sing it again. We need a bigger bus to get our friends on, more windows and more aisles. Party in the front, party in the back. We'll go swaying side to side down the highway of surrender. All wheels go round and round. We'll get all the bumper stickers from all the places that we found. Need a was on a train in the middle of the city. Saw a girl sitting on the floor with the headphones on. She was humming a tune, looking as happy as she could be, nodding her head and closing her eyes and singing the song she was singing. And the sun broke through the windows. Now everyone's humming along. She got everybody singing that universal song. I was on a cruise in the middle of the ocean. Was sitting alone at a table for two. The band was on a break, cause the singer, he was late. But the second he got on stage, started singing that same old tune he was singing. And everyone ran out onto the dance floor. They were shaking their hips and moving along. He got everybody singing that universal song. I read on the news today that they made contact with outer space and a transmission was coming in loud and clear. All the scientists and linguists and astrophysicists tried to decipher the sounds that were coming into their ears, but all they heard was...
That is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next one, stay you, stay true, and stay lovely. Bye, y'all.
Everybody